Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating bill series in Logic ERP. In the Sale Bill window, you can see the bill series drop-down displaying two series, GST and Retail. Now, let's learn how to create a new bill series. Go to Setup Bill Series. This window displays the predefined bill series. Let's create a new bill series. Enter the bill series name and the starting number. Select the bill type as Sale. Set Visible to True if you want it to appear in billing. Choose whether you want this series to appear in the Sale Challan (SR) or use it for stock transfer. You can also use the additional options according to your requirement. Save the changes. After creating the bill series, the next step is to configure it. For the same, go to Sale Voucher Configuration and select the newly created bill series. You can either set up the configuration manually using the available options or copy the settings from an existing series. Let's copy the configuration from the GST series and save the changes and then move to the billing screen. As you can see, the newly created bill series is now displayed in the billing screen. Let's hide the Retail series from Bill Series drop-down in the billing screen. To do this, go back to Setup Bill Series, select the Retail series visibility to false, and save the changes. Now, returning to the billing screen, you can see that the Retail series has been successfully hidden from the Bill Series drop-down.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.